I built an AI system that audited a pest control company that was leaving nearly $40,000 a year on the table. And I did it within 24 hours. If you run a service business, pest control, HVAC, plumbing, let me show you exactly how it works and how you can use it too. Every service owner has heard you should be using AI 100 times. But generic advice doesn't fit a business with trucks, techs, and a phone that honestly won't stop ringing. Nobody says which tools to use for their specific problems, in what order. So most owners do nothing. And what's missing? Someone who looks at your business and says, fix this first. That's what I built. So let's break down the system overview. I have 25 intake questions. I use Zoom, take that transcript, and then plug it into my Claude skill that I created. That Claude skill then does an assessment report in a markdown file. I read that report, make sure it sounds good, or if I need to tweak anything, I copy that report and put it directly into Claude Design. And then Claude Design makes it, polishes it, make it presentable. And then I take that as a PDF and I give that directly to the client. It's what they can use before our next call to go over things. You might ask why 25 questions? Well, it's not a set thing, but these cover the whole business. How leads come in, their daily operations, customer experience, where they're bleeding time. Nothing important gets missed because every assessment asks the same thorough set from my Claude skill. So instead of guessing, the owner gets a specific plan built from their own questions. So here's the skill I built. This is the brains, and it took a few times to get it right. But what it does is it reads the call and the transcript that I enter in a way that a good consultant would. Because it's a Claude skill, every report comes with the same 6 sections every time. I implemented strict rules. No hype slang, no fake numbers. It splits the value of your time from actual cash and gives ranges. And I built the whole thing within a few hours using Claude code. So here's the transcript that I exported from our Zoom call. It was just under 40 minutes. And this pest control owner had handwritten notes, ignored reviews that went on for months, and they were missing calls. So when I take this transcript, I paste it into Claude code, and I use the skill which I built, and it builds a report. So this takes a few minutes. It's going thoroughly through the questions, it's going through the skill and everything I outlined in it, and it builds this report. So we can see here that he's missing about 30% of his calls, which means these customers are just going on to the next Google listing. They're missing out on tons of missed opportunity. It splits reclaimed time value from recovered cash and gives a range and not a promise. To me, that honesty is the point. AI can fluctuate numbers, but in this assessment with the skill, I made sure that it doesn't do that. And it's honest in the audit. And so the business owner understands real numbers. So once we read through this report, next thing I do is copy it. And I've been testing out Claude Design. So I give it a quick little prompt, paste in my report that my Claude skill finished, and I tell it to make a PDF or a document outlining these that I can share directly with the client. We've been working with service businesses for a couple years now, and implementing these tools has been a game changer. If you run a service business and would like to know how to do this for yourself, or even have me or my partner do it, just comment below. And if you're a developer like me, this is what you can make with Claude. I'll see you in the next one.